Install a keystroke logger. Are you suspecting that your hubby is cheating through online means? Do you think that your children are giving out too much personal information to strangers online? Or, do you simply want to know what the members of your family spend on online? If these questions are nagging you at every turn, then know that your problem has a solution. The solution is basically installing an incognito monitoring system on a computer that will log any activity on it by a user, particularly what they type in, such as passwords, chat messages, emails, and the like. The software that does this is called a keystroke logger. Here are some tips on how to install it on a computer. Use it for good. Before proceeding, it is imperative that you know the implications of using a keystroke logger. First off, you should know that keystroke loggers are applications that allow you to monitor keyboard activity on a computer discreetly. This means that whoever is using the computer that has the key logging application active will be entering information that is compromised. Hence, if you are using this type of software, make sure that you are only using it to either protect your loved ones from potential internet-based threats or to catch someone doing something bad online. Do not use this application to steal someone else's personal information, since if you are caught, you can be charged for internet crimes. Get 1. Keyloggers or keystroke loggers are commercial programs that are sold online and in computer stores. The best way to get one is to search the internet. A quick search on Google should provide you with some options. However, to make things easier for you, visit sites like realitech.com, actualspy.com, softactivity.com, and refog.com. These sites offer the top spy software available, which includes keyloggers. Bear in mind though that these applications don't come free. Yes, you can probably download a trial version and try it out, but in essence, if you want continuous use, you will have to purchase a license. In any case, once you find one that you are willing to use, purchase and download a copy. Technically, you will be downloading an application file that will allow you to install in one click. Install it. First off, if you are installing in a single computer, then all you have to do is install the file using administrator rights. The installation process is automatic. However, you will have to assign usernames and passwords in order to access the logs. Also, you can set what specific computer users will the application monitor. In any case, once the installation completes, the keystroke logger will be active for the specified computer users. Now, if you are installing in multiple computers, you will need to be aware of certain intricacies. For instance, you should have purchased the right amount of licenses from the manufacturer to do remote keystroke logging monitoring. This means installing the program in a remote computer so that you can monitor the activities on your own computer. If you do have the licenses, then you will need to install the keystroke logger monitoring server on your computer and then install the remote or client application on the computer you want to monitor. Make sure that once you install the client application to configure the IP address of your computer so that logs will be sent there. The instructions for this type of installation will vary from brand to brand. Make sure to peruse the installation directions thoroughly. Once you successfully install the keystroke logger on the target computer, begin regular check on the logs sent to your server. Since this is a spying application, make sure that the user you are monitoring is not aware in order to make it more effective. Hence, only install the application on the target computer when no one is looking.